Hello everyone, welcome back to the SFDev and welcome to you in How to in Salesforce playlist YouTube series. So in today's short and super useful video, I'll show you how to quickly get the record ID inside an LWC Quick Action in Salesforce. So sometimes we faced when we are creating a LWC Quick Action, and while using we are seeing that okay, record ID is getting undefined. So this is one of the most common question developer face, and the solution is actually very simple if you know the right pattern. So by the end of this video, you will know how to how Salesforce pass record ID into a quick action, why your LWC is sometimes so undefined, the correct and recommended way to capture the record ID using getter and setter, and how to test it properly. So let's get started. So I just take what I did already, so I just take benefit so that it will I will not take much of your time. So I just created one quick action, test quick action. We have this HTML where we have lightning quick action panel, header, body and footer, and then we have our JavaScript where I am using record ID and also printing the record ID inside connected callback, and then we have our meta file where we configured expose equals to true, and then target is record action and action type is screen action, and I already deployed in my developer org. So what I did, I came to on account to record object, and then under button and action we have created our test quick action. So you can already see here test quick action. I'll show you how you can do that. You can just click on new action, and then you can from the action type you can choose lightning record, and then here you can choose your quick action. For me I am choosing test quick action. Then you can give label, name and save it. That's it. So our quick action is already done. Then I added our quick action to record page here, and how you can do that, you can just click from the edit, and then you can click edit page. You can click the edit page, and then click on the header. Usually header keep the all the action button. So on the header, once you click that, you will get add action button. There you can add our newly created action button. So on the header you can see, or highlight panel you can see here is a action. So you can click on add action, and from here you can add test quick action because I already added, so it's not coming here. So this way you can add our quick action, and now let's test it. So I'll just click on view inspect, and then I go to console, and I'll click directly here. So test quick action. So as soon as we click here, you can see here the record ID is coming as blank, and here record ID is coming as undefined. And this is very normal and common problem which we faced sometimes while working with the quick action. So let's see how we can fix it using getter and setter. So we see the record ID value is coming undefined. So let's see how we can fix it. So let's go to our VS Code, and then we'll go to the JS, and we'll see how we can fix it using getter setter. So instead of record ID, let's make it as a private variable. So I'll use underscore here to make it private variable. Then I'll use API to set the record ID. So how we can set it, or let's use how to use API to getter and setter. API, I'll accept this suggestion. I'll use it, return this dot record ID, and then I'll accept this suggestion as well, set record ID. If you have the suggestion installed, you will get the intelligence, you will get the suggestion. Or I'll do one more thing. I'll just remove it for now. I'll check if value is not equal to this dot record ID, yeah, then here we'll set this dot record ID equals to value. So I'll accept this suggestion, and then we'll print it in console as well. So our value is ready. We can get we can set and get our record ID using this way. Okay, so now if we have to use the record ID, we'll just copy this one we can use this private variable, then we set, and then we can get using the record id. So now let's deploy it again and let's test if this is working fine or not, or fixing our problem or not. So I just deployed it. Let's come here, our org, we'll click on inspect so that we can see in console as well. We'll do one round of empty cache and hard reload. We'll clean this. We'll clean console and then click on test quick action. So you can see our record id is getting loaded and it's getting visible as well. And here in the record id set, you can see our record id is getting visible as well. So yeah, this is the way you can set our record id in LWC Quick Action. So that's how you correctly set and use record id inside LWC action. And this is must know pattern if you are building email action, record update form, clone record action, PDF generator, or any model based action. Any model based action. So if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe and share it with your Salesforce friend. And don't forget to check it out my new website which is going to be live, SFWithAnand, the link in the description. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.